Hi everybody, gosh, it's a very exciting day today. It's a day that I've been waiting for months. Obviously we've been in and out of lockdowns and this particular experience has been cancelled and pushed so many times. But today I am heading to Canary Wharf. I'm having an overnight stay at one of their latest like apartment blocks that have been built. It's called the Vertis. It's like luxury city views, and obviously it's in the heart of everything. So I'm taking my friend Dee. We're going to have an overnight stay at 10 George Street in Canary Wharf. We have got dinner booked for Rocker tonight. We have got lunch booked tomorrow at the Ivy. Our favourite spots. Literally the last time her and I went out for dinner was at the same Rocker in the middle of the lockdowns. You guys might remember because I think I may have vlogged that experience. So I'm ready finally. I am going to pack a couple of bits now. So there's my suitcase. It's time to get some of these gorgeous bits inside the suitcase and a couple of bags, a couple of shoes, because I really do want to make the most of this stay. This is so cute. It gives me like Zimmerman vibes, also from River Island. Oh, this dress has to come from Karen Millen. This dress is like, wow. Oh, I really want to wear this blazer actually from Karen Millen. Cropped blazer. Karen Millen just killed it. So this is coming with as well. And then I'm just gonna pack like maybe 3 pairs of heels, like the gold ones, the pink ones, and then like a pair of these mules that can actually be worn in the day as well. That's if it's not raining, we'll see. And then I need to pack a couple of bags. Show me that you're for me. You're the best, show yourself. No. To my crib, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay, let me walk you through. Right, rewind. So as you can see, huge storage over there, which I'm assuming is where the washing machine and everything is hidden in here. Amazing. Then you have this gorgeous console set up, huge entry mirror, and this cold tea diffuser. I can smell it as soon as I walk in. Sorry, I'm so excited guys. I can smell the diffuser as soon as I walk in. It's amazing. So first things first is, this would be, I guess, bedroom number 1. It's slightly bigger than the others. There's some built-in wardrobe space there where I am going to unpack my stuff, because why not? And look at the views, you guys. Look at the views. Wow. Wow. Obviously it's not the best weather today, but it actually doesn't look that bad on camera, so it's fine. Look at the art. Wow, it's so gorgeous. Okay, so I love the cushions. You also have this lovely like sitting area, which is where I will be getting ready. If I was living here anyway, this is where I would be having like my dressing table set up over here. It could actually even be an office space because it's nice and like kind of separate from the room. I love that. And then you actually have a full-on bathroom. I think I need to have like a bubble bath and stuff today because this is looking so nice. So the lighting is amazing as well. My friend isn't here yet. She's going to absolutely die when she does get here. Oh, actually, there is a door here that takes you back to all of my kerfuffle over there. And we are back where we started. So now I'm gonna go this way. Again, the art, you guys, is just, it's a wow. It's honestly wow moments everywhere. And I just realized that they actually gave us some umbrellas, and I'm so annoyed because I just bought one today thinking I'm gonna get caught in the rain. So over here is another extension of the hallway, and again, the art. Everything's so warm and yummy. I'm gonna leave the best area till last. So this is bedroom number 2, which is actually a really nice size and has got a really nice view. It also has balcony access as well. And then look at that. Now, okay, I really like this room as well. So I mean, I don't really mind having like the bath or not. I love the art, I love the side tables. So yeah, I can't actually decide which room I wanna stay in, but either way, we're gonna be in both rooms anyway. It doesn't really matter. Again, built-in wardrobes there, and then this one has a lovely shower room, so the same tile and everything, same accessories. Same cabinetry, hairdryer. Oh, these are some of my favorites. Amazing, thanks guys. And then they've got some towels and stuff there for us. How lovely. And then this is the walk-in shower. I'm not gonna step in with my boots, but you get the picture. Right, are you ready to see the star of the show? I am so dramatic, but guys, I am so grateful to be staying somewhere like this. Not just to come and view and show you guys a tour. I'm actually going to be living the Canary Wharf life today and tomorrow with my friend, and I'm just very excited, so you're gonna have to bear with me. Anyway, let me turn the camera around so you can see what I'm seeing right now. Ta-da! So here is the main attraction. So this is the kitchen area. It's open living and kitchen, which is always really nice in these city apartments, especially when they are sizable. So we're not going to be cooking because we have got a nice dinner reservation tonight, but obviously these apartments are available for rent, so people actually do come and live here like long term. The most amazing tour guide gave me these 2 bottles of wine. So we've got an option of a rosé, and I believe this is a red. We weren't sure. Funny enough, I haven't actually looked in the fridge. So let's have a look in there and see what is going on. Oh my gosh, I think they knew that I love olives. They knew. And I also love these Copperbergs. So I'm gonna start off with one of those today. Anyway, let's close the fridge, and there's also lovely cheese selection in there to go with the crackers and biscuits. And then look at these amazing views that just stem all the way along the living room. It's just honestly breathtaking. Over here is the dining table, which is marble, and it is a gorgeous, gorgeous marble. Look at those veins. This is the kind of marble I would love to have in my new house on the island or something. And these chairs, the beautiful simplicity of them, I absolutely adore them. So the sofa looks so comfy and like, you know, like squidgy, like you can just sink in there. Absolutely stunning. I love the decor. I love the pops of color. You all know that I've been popping color all over my apartment recently, so I am so here for it. This coffee table is the same marble, exactly the same marble vein as the dining table over there. And it's gorgeous. And I love the 2 tiers, the layers. Over here then is the balcony, which goes along to the bedroom that was over there. Over here is the television. Now, funny thing, when I stepped into this apartment and walked into this room, I was drawn straight to that coffee table book, and I was like, that is one on my list. That is literally one that I stopped myself buying because I have too many for the flat that I'm in now. And I think I told you guys that I have started buying things for the new house that I don't have yet. This is one of them that I was about to buy recently that I had to stop myself from buying. It's a sign. Oh, it's so beautiful. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Oh, 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 oh. Oh wow, I want to eat everything, everything. Look at the avocado and the pomegranate, my 2 favorite things in the world. Wow, I'm ready to go to Ibiza right now. As you can see, it's so wide, it's so spacious, it's really bright considering it's a gloomy day. It's honestly amazing, and I am in love. I think you all already know that I am beyond excited about the next day to 2 days here. I mean, what else can I say? It's stunning. I actually feel very at home here, and I cannot wait for my friend to come because she is just gonna absolutely love it. It's such a nice thing, like in my job, to actually be able to invite a friend or my boyfriend or my mom to an experience like this, which for me is already special, let alone somebody who isn't in this industry, you know. If you're somebody out there, maybe you work in the Canary Wharf area and you've been thinking about renting somewhere locally just for a period of time, this could be the spot for you. So I did actually ask my amazing tour guide some questions, and he let me know that the studio apartments start from just over £2,000 per month, and it includes internet and a few of your bills, but not everything. No, that is actually quite good for Canary Wharf, you know, London Canary Wharf, the city. So this is the studio, and this is the kitchen, living, and the bedroom's here. Then very nice shower room space. It's really quite big. School, nursery, wow.
And it's going to continue all the way around. Some of the buildings are finished
all the way around there as
another...
well. Anyway, I could go on and on and on, but I'm going to ruin this video. So I will catch you guys soon when my friend gets here. Woo! You guys, why are they doing this to me? Are you seeing this glass? Now I know they are really for like red wine, but we do have red wine and we are going to have red wine later, but I just fancy using it now. This is huge. So I want to say a huge cheers, you guys, to a great weekend ahead, great celebrations to come, and just leveling up. Cheers. Demanded a drink. I'm so excited you're here. We're gonna have the best time. So much fun, I can't wait. So much fun. So I've already put music on, obviously, because you know, the vibes. I have no idea what's in here because I was waiting for you to come. So there's yours. Obviously, I can see that there is like a lovely brolly in here, and I just bought one today. Oh, like a little one though, so now I can keep this in the car.
So I left mine at a shop.
We might need this on our way back anyway.
We definitely will.
Because we've got like a little walk. Ooh, I can see a notebook. You have your own, girl.
Oh, I thought it was like... Well, okay, so what do we have here?
Okay.
So we've got a body, I definitely need that one.
Yep. I'm going to keep mine in the car for sure. Oh, a notebook. You guys know
I've been needing a new notebook
and this
as well.
This is like a good one. It's leather.
Yeah, oh yeah,
this is good. Oh, it's moleskin, the brand. Oh, it's even got Virtus on the front.
I love it.
So yeah, notebook. This is
coming useful, right?
Yep, definitely. And what's this?
Oh,
oh my, this is cute.
I was just about to buy one.
Were you?
Oh my gosh,
this is perfect. Yeah, I need this.
I need this.
Yeah, because we'll be drinking water and all of that. And I like that it's plain because a lot of people like bright colours and stuff. Thank you. What's this?
There's something else in here. What's this?
Drink and pleasure on the go. Oh.
Oh.
Ooh. It's like a
reusable coffee cup.
Oh yeah.
Okay, this is
that's very handy.
They've given some useful gifts.
How sweet. Oh, a little key ring.
Key ring and pen as well.
Pen. Thank you so much. Thank you guys. Yeah, so that's what we got in our goodie bag, you guys. And really useful. Very useful and so unexpected. So yeah, what are we gonna do now?
Get ready.
Since we haven't got very long
to drink.
Yeah, we're gonna have some drinks actually. Because we're not far, we don't have to really rush to get. Are you adding to your makeup? Just topping up?
No, lip gloss.
That's it. Yeah.
Yeah,
I'm just gonna
like get dressed.
So we don't need to like get ready now.
Yeah.
Do we?
No. It's at 8 o'clock, right?
Yeah, 8. Yeah, we've got an hour.
We've got loads of time.
Yeah. Obviously we're in a rush. We're late, but it's gonna be all fine. Look at her. Hi.
Hi.
Need to go. Here's your brush, babes. You got your bag?
Yeah.
I've got the key. Oh my god, I'm actually getting in trouble. Like,
are they messaging you?
Apologies, we contacted you via Instagram. The team doesn't have your phone number. I better give it to them. Let's go. Keys. Okay. Ready. Ready.
Oh, wait, can I do a 12, please? Before we go?
And that's them calling us to get out of this. Let's go. I'm so excited. I think we're actually going to get the lift.
Yeah.
They can't ask us to be adding like mask and makeup because...
No.
No.
They will have everything organised for us. Perfect. That's fine.
Oh, look at us. D. Okay.
Be quick.
You're looking at two people that missed their booking at 8 o'clock. Do you know what the time is right now? The time that we came downstairs. It's 9. And it's only by the grace of God that they managed to have one table available at 10:30. So we have a whole hour and a half
to kill.
and we're hungry. It's fine, we're gonna drink wine, but I am just gonna give Dee a tour because obviously earlier on I toured this lounge. I hope no one's here. No, they aren't. So I thought we'll kill time, we'll come here, we're gonna look at the menu and choose food because we'll have 15 minutes to order when we get there. That's how late we're getting there. So yeah, here is the tour. So this is the lounge. It's cute, isn't it? Cute, 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 cute. Do you play pool? I love playing pool.
I don't know.
So this is the view from our room. My room is there, Dee. Pictures. We're gonna go and take some pictures now. Where do you want to take them? You can even this color looks nice with your outfit actually. Yeah, it does.
I like this golden.
The mustard. Yeah, it's nice. They're gorgeous,
Are
aren't
you gonna make
they?
some more cushions, please? Because
Am I gonna?
more cushions or
Vanriel coat is loading.
I need some more cushions.
I know. And Dee buys all of my cushions.
I literally buy
Before we
all
were
mine.
even friends,
Literally, remember?
Dee bought my cushions, and then
I bought your cushions.
Yeah. And now look
I've got
at
cushions
us.
in my bedroom, cushions in my living room.
Let me stoop down. Now look at us.
Girl, I'm not
I
that
love-
short.
I don't even know if I showed you my outfit, but look at this colour block. So the dress is from Chi Chi London. I'm trying to get Dee to wear more colour actually, but that is a struggle. That is a struggle.
Listen, if you know me, you know I love.
What do you love?
Black.
You love black and
I love
neutrals,
black.
yeah. See? Exactly. It's the poses for me.
I'm like, I'm ready.
She's ready for her close up. Good morning. Oh, it's dry. Oh. Dee, it's nice out here. It's so bright. Good morning. The living room is nice and warm this morning. Oh, so pretty. So pretty. I need to get rid of these glasses that we've got jotted around and my coat. What time is it now? Is it 9 something? 9:25. I'm going to make a coffee. I don't even know how to work a coffee machine, guys, because I don't drink coffee, but today I need one because I need to wake up. So let's try and do this now. Dee, do you want coffee?
I'm sick and tired of birthday dresses that I know I will never wear again. Or
like spending
I'm doing the most, looking for that one dress.
One dress that's got to make it.
Exactly. And this is what I think, do you know what? Just try and be, not simple, but just try and just don't overthink. So when I saw that pink dress, I was like, this is nice. Party at your friend?
Absolutely not.
Okay, so basically what I think we should do is,
you can turn up to that party by yourself, honey.
Okay, I'll
leave
this is what I was thinking.
I'll leave the key under the mat for
so
you.
this time.
Okay. Oh, we all coming south. Okay, so it's makeup time. I've just had the most amazing shower. I've done my skincare. I've lotioned my body. Now I'm gonna try and recreate the makeup look that I had yesterday because I absolutely loved it. It was so neutral, but it was so yummy. So I wanna recreate that today. It's not even straight. Oh my gosh, I fell. Oh my, huh? I fell off the sofa and my vlog camera caught me. Right, let's pretend that didn't happen, guys. Happy afternoon, guys. So Dee and I had a really fun night yesterday. We ate so much, we had so much fun, it was so fun. We actually got taken to the restaurant in like the cutest little Virtus buggies. Hey guys, so I am now all dressed and ready and just taking in the gorgeous views of this balcony, but we are actually going out now. We're ready. We have lunch booked at 3. It's currently 2. We are on top of time. I think yesterday's scare of missing our reservation has really put us into gear. So today we're gonna go down and go to the shopping center. Really want to find something that's a bit of an investment piece and something that I can kind of have forever. Maybe a blazer, maybe a good pair of jeans. I don't know, I'm open. And she's ready, she's ready. Look, we're both doing jeans and blazers and trainers today. Super casual, and we're both doing LV bags as well, so yeah. Get a cute daytime pic today. Nice brunch and stuff.
Can't wait.
Cannot wait, I'm so hungry now. When I eat breakfast, this is what happens. I get more hungry during the day. It's crazy. Oh, thank you, girl. Just get it. We're back in our favourite mode of transport. Our little being lazy, we love it. I could honestly get used to this.
Literally.
Bye. Okay, let's go shopping. It's actually quite a decent day right now.
Very nice.
It's very nice. Oh, they have a whole Wagamama's here as well. I love right there. In age. Who kills? I'm gonna try that on. Definitely try that on. Oh. Do you know what? I need to go away. Oh, stop.
That is very
so cute.
That is very cute.
I like the buttons. Aww. Nice, look.
With the shorts.
With the shorts as well. I'm actually in love.
That's stunning.
With these
I
little.
like that. That's my favourite.
That this is the fave.
Yeah, that's.
Lots to try on. I've got lots to try on in Mag, so I will show you guys how everything looks on. So look number 1. Needs heels, but I like it. What do you think?
I really like this one.
So
this is my
pretty.
favourite set.
I love it.
Such a cute set.
What do you think? It's cute. Cardigan and shorts. Alright, option number 2. Look number 2.
Ooh.
It's cute, right?
This is really nice.
This is really cute. It's like summer day, casual, heels or trainers, like white though, like really fresh.
I love it.
I like it as well.
This is nice.
It's cute. It's very cute. Look number 3.
This is really cute. This is very you.
This is me, right? All the buttons on down here. It is very me.
Very you.
I love this. This is what I saw on the website.
Yeah. Very
This
cute.
is like, I've just got so much fun. It's like,
Very Hillary Banks.
I like it a lot.
Same here. Very cute.
This is
Oh,
cool,
this is so pretty.
isn't it?
This is really pretty.
It is. I like this.
What do you think?
So
Airy, flowy, summery. I really like
this
this.
is really. Can you imagine like the Tom Ford heels that you're buying?
This is
With,
really,
like,
really
this
nice.
would be so cute, and then like a little gold clutch. Okay.
Very cute.
I can't choose now.
I love this one.
Yeah.
Okay, this is very cute.
It is.
I actually prefer it oversized.
Yeah. If it was small, it would fit quite.
I like
restrictive,
the oversized look.
Yeah. This is cute. But I can't keep buying things similar to what I have, so
True.
I might go for the dress because I don't have anything like that dress.
True.
Whereas I have a lot of jackety.
I know what you mean,
Yeah.
yeah. Go for something different.
Okay.
Cool.
Okay. Okay, I think it's gonna be this one because I have nothing like it. The others, you guys know I love my good blazers and stuff and suits, but this, I just feel like it felt like summer. Like I could potentially wear this around my birthday. I love the detail. So yeah, this is the one. The sun is shining. We're hoping to sit outside, but we'll see. Gorgeous weather. Gorgeous. So my stuff's all packed, you guys. Our stay is officially over. I'm gonna do a last walk through. As if we never came. My room. Oh, I am so sad to be going, but you know what? I've had the best experience here. You can rent these apartments for 1 month. They do short let stays. Yeah, absolutely amazing. Like I had no idea that you could rent this for a month, and it's even got me thinking about potentially, well, me and Dee actually potentially like renting somewhere like this for a month just to have the experience and then move back to the suburbs. I've had the best experience, the best time. Thank you so much to the team for hosting me and my friend and just being wow. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, comment, let me know if you would check this place out, if this sounds like something you're interested in, let me know. See you all soon. Bye.